Is there anything special about Stacks that you're drawn to that, that's why you build here?
The people, the attitude, and the stuff that we build, we see it as building together, and that's the thing that really attracts me.
Ever since I got in here, just the community has been amazing, willing to help with anything that you're doing. I just can't stop.
Everyone is kind of excited to build products around Bitcoin. I think that was one of the main reasons that we also, got attached into it.
The guys, they are so talented. We were working all the day. Today we didn't sleep at all. We were practicing all the time. They are really good persons. They are really intelligent. The mentors like Kenny, Adam, Ileana that was doing all of this, they were amazing. I felt like I was in my home.
I'm actually really impressed. I've seen both experienced builders on Stacks, but also people that are new. Got the hang of our tools pretty quickly, and then putting together great demos in one day. I was really blown away. Speaks both to their skill, but also how us as an ecosystem have evolved.
How was that onboarding experience for you initially?
Easier than I was expecting. I have a degree in computer science, so for a long time I was curious about blockchain. I know how that worked. I never implemented a smart contract before. It was very easy to learn. I think in 1 week I could implement a complex contract without any problem.
My favorite moments al compartir con todos los integrantes, al conocerlos principalmente, al participar, al aprender de las personas, eso principalmente.
The food was amazing.
I'm a vegetarian guy, so the private chef is the best thing I had. I wasn't expecting much, to be honest. Our developers were well fed, taken care of everything. It was really lovely experience.
I've been to a lot of events, participated in a lot of hackathons, fair share of accelerator programs, and what Stacks did for builders, I did not see it in my 25 years of tech service.
2 years ago, it doesn't exist like the community here in Latin America. Many projects come from many countries from Latin America, not only from Argentina. We have projects from Mexico, from Brazil, from Bolivia, from Peru. The Stacks community here in Latin America is growing. We are trying to push more builders to join to the ecosystem, different contexts and different opportunities than projects than the other regions, right?
Can you talk a little bit about why Bitcoin is so important to you and what brought you to Stacks originally?
Bitcoin, I think, is important for all people who live here in Latin America because we have different economic conditions than maybe other countries in other parts in the world like Europe or maybe USA. So it's important because people really need Bitcoin. People really need this Bitcoin economy to save their money, to save their value. We believe that Stacks is a good opportunity to onboard new Bitcoiners because we don't want to replace Bitcoin. We believe Bitcoin is good, but maybe Bitcoin needs some superpowers that Stacks can bring them.
How was that experience for you?
It was pretty great. Not only the spot, the place was pretty great too, but also all the founders, all the Stacks people there. It was pretty amazing. I really liked the experience to be there.
I really enjoy meeting people, and I guess the human connections and meeting people from all over the world again and sharing cultural and just talks. That's what I always prefer, meeting new people.
Hi Nebby, I love you. I'll see you soon. I hope you're having a great birthday.
Love that. Thank you so much,
Thank
Fred.
you.